the 2008 Chevrolet Trailblazer. It features four-wheel drive capabilities, a durable automatic transmission, and a refined six-cylinder engine. All of the following features are included: front dual-zone air conditioning, fully automatic headlights, a trailer hitch, and cruise control. You and your passengers will enjoy the stereo system, which includes a CD player with AM/FM radio and 6 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Chevrolet ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control stands out as a technologically savvy innovation, keeping you better connected to the road. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, indicating just one previous owner. Are you ready to experience this vehicle for yourself? Call now and schedule a test drive.